the irony is that success इतना ज़्यादा highlight किया जाता है and failure बिल्कुल भी highlight नहीं किया जाता है. And that is something you have to keep in mind कि exceptions को idealize नहीं करना है. Yeah, so hi everyone, and sir has told me to ask me to speak something important for 5 minutes. So I was wondering what could be the most important thing that I can talk about here, standing here in front of fellow aspirants. And I think one thing that I would specially like to mention here is the mental preparation aspect of this exam, which I think someone would have told me beforehand when I was in my preparation stage. Because अगर आप mentally prepared नहीं हैं इस exam के लिए, तो आप academically नहीं prepare कर सकते हैं. वो कहीं ना कहीं एक toll लेगा. तो I'll just list down 4-5 important points that I feel are important, जो मुझे लगता है आपको अपनी preparation में include करना चाहिए on the mental aspect. So the first thing I'll say is that don't compare yourself. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है जैसे जब results आते हैं तो बहुत over glorify किया जाता है toppers को and ऐसी portraits paint की जाती हैं कि हम अपने बारे में relative deprivation feel करने लगते हैं that maybe we are not good enough, maybe we did not have that background, इसीलिए ये एग्जाम नहीं हो रहा है. तो ये सच नहीं है. The pictures that are being painted are the pictures that are being painted right now. This exam has a very low rate of success, but the irony is that success इतना ज़्यादा highlight किया जाता है and failure बिल्कुल भी highlight नहीं किया जाता है. And that is something you have to keep in mind कि exceptions को idealize नहीं करना है. I have been a victim to it. When I started preparing, I saw a lot of topper talks where people used to not pointing out anyone. In general, एक trend होता है कि 3 महीने में exam clear कर लिया. So I used to feel that okay, I am academically very good. I will clear this exam in 3 months, and that is what I did. That is how I gave my first attempt. So definitely there are exceptions, but you don't have to idealize exceptions. If there's one thing that you should idealize, then that is hard work. The second thing that I'd say is that challenges are for everyone. चाहे किसी की कोई भी life हो, कोई भी background हो, everyone has faced challenges in this preparation. And there is a quote that I really like by Murakami sir, must have read him. He says that pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. Which means that pain सबके पास आएगा, लेकिन अगर आपको उसमें suffer करना है या नहीं, वो आपकी choice है. You may have pain, but you can choose not to suffer. And that is the attitude that you should keep for this exam. Challenges आते हैं, आप उसे bravely लीजिए and आगे बढ़िए. Don't feel bogged down कि challenges आ गए. One more thing I'd like to say is that a lot of times what happens is that जब हमें results नहीं मिल रहे होते हैं, then we start losing our own self-worth in our own eyes. And that is the worst thing that you can do to your own selves. आप एक ऐसे under-confidence के stage में कभी ना पहुँचे anxiousness में कि you start measuring your own self-worth by the basis of any exam or any other person, and you start running after things that you should not be running after. Be it any person, any friendships, any coaching material, anything. But don't run behind anything. And last thing that I'd like to say is that this exam in itself is a growth process. इस exam को हमेशा एक larger picture की तरह देखें, because at the end of the day, आप जो इंसान enter करते हैं, आप वही इंसान बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं. You come out as a very evolved version of yourself, and the entire basis should not be just winning at this exam. It should be winning at life, and that is when this exam is useful. Thank you.